Hello students, today I am going to explain the lesson Ranga's Marriage by Masti Venkatesha Iyengar. About the author. Masti Venkatesha Iyengar from 1891 to 1986. Masti Venkatesh Iyengar was a well-known writer in Kannada language. He was honored with the Gyanpith Award, the highest literary honor conferred in India, in the year 1983 for his novel Chikkavira Rajendra. He was popularly referred to as Masti Kannadada Asti, which means Masti Kannada's treasure. He was most renowned for his short stories. He wrote under the pen name Srinivas. A prolific writer, he wrote more than 123 books in Kannada and 17 in English. Characters in the story. Shyama is the narrator of this story. He speaks highly of his village Hoshahalli. He manipulates Ranga into marrying Ratna, an 11-year-old girl. Ranga, the village accountant's son, who went to study English in Bangalore. His homecoming was a big event for the villagers, who were curious to know if any change had come over him. Ratna, a pretty girl of 11, is the niece of Ramarao. She is from a big town and knows how to play veena and harmonium. Shastri, the village astrologer, plays an important role in bringing about the marriage of Ranga and Ratna. Introduction. This is a story about a young man who went to study in Bangalore. His name was Ranga. The people of the village were simple and had their own notions about English language and education. When the young man Ranganatha returns to village after 6 months, people are curious to have a look at him. They hope to find him a changed person, but to their surprise, he is not changed a bit. Even his sacred thread is intact. The narrator wants to know Ranganatha's views about marriage. He says he has no plans to marry in the near future. He wants to marry when he is mature and he wants to marry a mature girl. But he cannot have his way in this matter. The narrator thinks that 11-year-old Ratna will make him a good wife. He so manipulates things that Ranga falls in love with Ratna and marries her.